When you've finished running sessions, please shut down the system. It's important to follow the instructions in this video as improper shutdown can corrupt files and cause software glitches. To close out of the NeurOptimal software, left-click on the trackpad or single-tap on the screen on the X in the upper right corner of the Vault window. Wait for the software to shut down completely. GeForce and the Media Center will close automatically. Do not click or tap the X on any other window. Once the software has completely closed, the NeurOptimal icon will no longer be highlighted in the taskbar. Left-click or single-tap on the Windows icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Left-click or single-tap on the power icon and select Shut Down.